What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris B Boppin, and we back at it with a different video. You know what I'm saying? We got the workout videos, and I'm here coming to you with a haircut video. I'm bringing you guys a haircut tutorial on a mid-drop fade, mid-burst fade, a mid-fade, whatever you want to call it. Nowadays, there's different names for haircuts, but I'm gonna give you guys $1 million worth of game on this haircut. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown how to achieve a perfect blend. I would say this is a perfect blend. Now I believe this is a perfect blend. You're saying just you're gonna see the final results. Saying 2 years ago, 3 years ago, it was a different barber. Your skills have improved. I've learned a lot. Just countless hours just putting in that work. The thing I always learned is if you want to get good at something, or you're saying you want to be successful, you gotta work without looking at the clock. You're saying I spent countless hours. You're saying doing this late nights. You're saying early mornings. And just putting that work in, you know what I'm saying? Because it's something I really love to do. Something I wake up and I'm like, damn, I can't wait to go to work. Damn, I can't wait to beat my clients up. I wake up, see my schedule. I'm like, damn, I can't wait to see this client. You can't wait to, you know what I'm saying? Chill from where we left off at last conversation. You know what I'm saying? I love seeing my people. And I love just hearing my clients just, you know what I'm saying? Hearing their life, you know what I'm saying? Hearing them doing good. You know what I'm saying? And it's crazy, man. A lot of my clients, sons now. I'm over here cutting their sons. A lot of my clients, I've been cutting their sons since they've been like 7 months, 1 year old. Now they're 3 years old, big. Saying my clients are having more kids. I'm cutting families now. A lot has changed in a good way. I'm not saying this is in a bad way, man. A lot has changed for the better. I've changed shops. I'm doing my own thing. And here, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing it. What I did to this side, I'm doing the other side. You know what I'm saying? Connecting it. This is a very important step right here, connecting one side to the other. That's kind of hard. You remember first starting out, oh man, that shit was the worst. I hated connecting. I remember one side will always be higher. You just rep as you know what I'm saying, you keep repping out these haircuts, you know what I'm saying, you keep doing this repetition. You're only gonna get better if you're really trying and you're really putting in the work. I tell all my students that I'm teaching, you're really putting in the work, you're really watching the videos, you're really doing what you're supposed to do, it's hard for you to lose. That goes for anything in life. If you're really trying something hard in life, it's really hard for you to lose. You know what I'm saying? You're your worst enemy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the times we know it, man. You know what I'm saying? We know what we have to do. We know what is needed to do, and we just don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm just doing some detail work. Almost coming together. You see me fading, connecting one side to the other side, connecting it to the back. You know what I'm saying? That's art right there. The art of barbering is beautiful. Back then when I was starting it, motherfuckers wasn't doing these type of haircuts. Motherfuckers wasn't getting blurry like this. It wasn't getting down like this. Now it's a different ball game. I'm saying motherfuckers want the best fade. They want the nastiest, baldest, crispiest fade, taper, burst fade, mullet. You know what I'm saying? Design. You know what I'm saying? That's why haircuts are more expensive nowadays. You know what I'm saying? We're putting more effort and time into it. A lot of people complain about their haircuts, you know what I'm saying, being so expensive and stuff. You don't understand how busy we as barbers are. You know, like barbers are already busy, and it's like could only fit in a certain amount of haircuts in a day. Like I just had this issue the other day. I'm over here got a decent amount of haircuts, right? And I was squeezing, bro. Like, we're hitting me up like night before and the day before, and this is on a Saturday, so like barbers' busiest days. Busiest days is like he wants to get right for the weekend. Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. I don't know if y'all could agree with me or not. That's when I'm most busiest. Or everyone wants to hit me up last minute. You know what I mean? And he hits me up Friday for a Saturday, and I'm already booked up. And I'm just that type of person to say I don't like saying no. So like, someone needs a haircut, I'm like, got you. I can squeeze you in. But just them squeezing me in is just adding more stress to my job, and it's like makes it unfair to the people that actually booked on time, that respect my time and respect to book in advance because they know how busy I'll get, and I just didn't think it's fair. So I had set up, you know what I'm saying, I had told a couple people, yeah, I had to cancel just to, because it was only gonna make my day stressful. I just wasn't trying to deal with that. Right here, me shaving with the Bronze Series 9. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these barbers still the shaver and wall shaver, but I'm rocking with the Bronze Series 9, and I will do a tutorial though. I'm not sure if a lot of barbers are familiar with the Bronze Series 9. My other videos, I was still using the wall shaver, but I feel like as I'm gaining more clients, more haircuts throughout the day. I need something more durable, something that's going, you know what I'm saying, fast, efficient. So that's why I'm going with the Bronze Series 9. I just feel like the wall and the Andy shaver, they just get too dull. I constantly got to keep buying the blade, and it's like I got to keep, you feel like I got to press it more harder, and I don't know. I just didn't. I decided to move to a different, right here. Boom. We got a clean fade right here. Look at it. Look how it drops in the back. Look at that clean fade. It suits his head. Imagine if I would have done a clean straight line with a fade, like wouldn't have no gradency. This suits his head. Look at that drop on the back. Clean drop fade. This is how I'm coming. Now check it out. Free game right here for a lot of young barbers. If you're upcoming or if you're in the barber game, I see a lot. What I notice is notice a lot of barbers, what they don't do is they don't market themselves. They don't take photos of their haircuts. They don't post what they do. How is someone gonna be able to hit you up or know that you cut hair if you're not posting your work? You know what I'm saying? You have to market yourself. You have to post on Instagram. You have to post on whatever platform it may be, you know what I'm saying, in order to get some motion. You know what I'm saying? That's just quick game right there for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I post every day, because if I don't post, no one's gonna post for me. So now right here, you know what I'm saying, showing them, giving them a 360 to the cut, letting them see how clean it is, man. Now let me show y'all again a 360 of this mid drop fade. Check it out, man. I hope y'all learned some. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all stay tuned for more different types of videos, man. Y'all stay blessed. See y'all.